You have learned the basic marketing, and I'm sure you might be stuck in your part of your journey. So today I'll be covering you some of the most important things, especially to those marketers when it comes to the intermediate stage. Today I'll be fixing you in order to scale your business at the most fastest way. And this is a proven strategy which I'll be using in Asur Academy for the last 1 year and 3 months. So hi everyone, my name is Surmangol Singh. I'm the founder of Asur Academy. We are on a mission to help 100,000 youth to teach the modern new way of education to develop your skill set so that you can fulfill your future needs. We are not only the digital marketing companies, we are here to impact the state of Manipur so that we will train the entrepreneurs, business owners, healers, spiritual guiders, and teachers, professors, doctors. We have trained more than 2,000 plus students and created lots of success stories. And also, the next is yours for sure. So, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, asidi miyamgi mafamda koigi marketing di hairaba koigi kabu haidar ni ko basic tips na hairaba marakse sigi marakse yamna confused la oibani ai life da ju tholei ko haidi hairaba client ju amani ge pairaba adagi mu skill kamai torkani ko sigi matang je wabani seng hargani the woodable nangi nanakta mentor lerba and you have the proven blueprint lerba and also you have a team lerba, then you can skyrocket your business. I have no doubt at all. So this is the strategy I'll be covering you today in just 5 steps how to scale your business in the most fastest way as a marketer. Step number 1 da ko marketers ama oina khoina hujik basic ti lon ma khangi ba yam ma khangi basic ti loi khangi adubu hujiti ka daro kani ha matam da market ta aina changba matam da na you need to dominate one particular niche, micro niche as it micro niche na haibigi athadi keno mayam na tongri ba part to digi nang na kitang kumdar aga hujikani nang specialize oina chang over chang a matung da market nang dominate tawdu ba nang shwaya oiba. This is very, very important. The business is all about starting from you, not just your product or services. Today is the IG product lay, IG services lay, na adum tawle agadi you will fail in the marketing. Adugi mohotana you need to build a brand. Branding haraga ko aina ta adu da chatlo ha su nate ba. Mayam na tongri ba branding jidi kaino. Si jidi chahi manga truk chang it will take some time. Mayam na nangi brand am thajar price bu thama ni da ya gadra ba adu swear roi. Adugi mohta ka darokani nang hana tho over nang hana tho matungda nang se you as a brand lakpio hojik ngasi akoina marketing companies ma amna hojik scale do bong amriba adum stuck tor leiba adigi intermediate level ga jina kaino mapan thokda ki ba mi ga wari chana ba kirakpa mi ga thingaina da kirakpa content samada idea ikai je adu to wela to adu nangi da mukta kana na thok turige. Your business is the reflection of who you are. Si ko bigano. Nahaki business to di nang ni ato bakram nate. Adu da nang na ikai da na tawtari nangi business to kari film no tak to jibo. So the question is, before you start selling any product or services in the market, nahak hana thopiu mayam da hana serve to you. Nang je kanano kari no nang na kari service pi. You have to do consistently marketing to bom dakar oil. Nangi matang da brand awareness pazana tobam dakar tai natragadi mina nang sugang khangaroi. Consistent marketing is the key in order to scale your business faster. There's nothing else. Step number 2 da mo ai hujik consistent marketing tawreba brand awareness pazana tawreba. It's a high time you need to build a system. Kayumba aina sidai the system build the hodraba ko ai competitors mayam mana ai line the thom gini. Today's world, it's a technology world. Uski matam da artificial intelligence tholaiba miyoy bana khanbagi chance legi chama hena khanba ngama ba fraction of second da adu hujipuk ta nang na adu gi do nangi business ta implement tawdragadi angang macha amna su nang dum hen gini ba intermediate stage la leija tar su matamjigi technology ju nang yaudaba yaroiba. It's a high time. So nangi system me amdu yengoba. Mi lakpagi system ama, mi nurture tawbagi system ama, mi ga booking tawbagi system ama, lead me amdu follow up tawbagi system ama, phone system oigara, CRM oigara, sales tawko matamda Zoom na tawgara, phone na tawgara, adagi nang any form of system amadi nang fazana proper way da nangi business to 24/7 adum run tawba yanaba complete koina MSAP marketing su ko sigisa mi porpagi system, sales tawpagi system, mi ga communicate tawba system, message tawba system sigi myam da nang fazana link na hek thamdige ko you can't grow your business and you can't scale your business. This is 100% guaranteed. Without system, how can you run your business? Offline adum tawta. Offline azu ko matam jiga chatnaba technology dum khara dum yaramani. Technology haraga mayam ta pakhalam mani ba no. Aina haitraga zu technology haiba ma taklong ne ani mayam adugi mido laitraga suna Asur Academy na reach out to biro asur.net/book natra khoi phone number yawni sidai phone to biro sonoji technology haite na system build to haite na haido habiro ai songi potential ki ai pangsage